Hey guys, welcome to another episode on TFBTV. Today we're going to be looking at small arms in Jordan and specifically the civilian sector and what's for sale on the civilian side of things. We went to a gun shop in Amman and it was really interesting to see some of the stuff that's for sale, some of the refinished things that you see, some of the trends in the Jordanian gun market, and we were able to interview and talk to one of the gun shop owners that's there today. Hope you guys enjoyed the episode, and I'd really like to thank Ventura Munitions for helping us out produce this episode and get this sort of content to you.
أنا سمعان حتر معروف باسم
سمعان حتر. His nickname is Simon and he's known in Jordan as Simon. He started working in this field since 12 years. He started with the maintenance and working on the small pieces of the tools, and he had moved to the trading in ammunition and shotguns since 25 years ago.
We are the dealership for Beretta, Benelli, and some other few companies from Turkey. Basically, what's famous here in Jordan are the Italian products, like Beretta and Benelli. Turkish products start coming to Jordan in the past 20 years. But Beretta, Benelli, some American products like Savage, they are here well established since the 50s in Jordan.
We are interested in the civilian market, not to the military. We are not interested in the military market. In addition to the handguns and security requirements.
في مجال الصيد والسبورتنج ورماية المسلح.
Hunters here, they verify, picking up their guns. It depends on how much they are willing to spend. This is a very important issue here. So basically now in the last 20 years, they do not want to spend that much. That's why they are shifting to the Turkish products. They are less expensive than the Italian and the American products.
بالإضافة إلى
We are improving ourselves regularly by attending the worldwide missions and the global exhibitions in the world, like AWA, Pro Hunt, Canton Fair, SHOT Show, and so on.
Handguns and the shotguns, it's a very basic thing here in Jordan. Like in the past, they used to depend on the horse, the gun, and the tent. Now it's shifted to the villa, the nice car, and the nice handgun or the shotgun. Some shotguns are prohibited here in Jordan, like the one which is the spiral barrel, and the full automatic guns, they are prohibited in Jordan. Other than that, it's all being used, like the over-under shotgun, side-by-side shotgun, semi-automatic. They are all well known here in Jordan. Calibers, basically in Jordan, they depend on the 12 gauge. In the Gulf, they depend on the 16 plus the 12. But basically in Jordan, 12 gauge, they are very famous.
There are laws in Jordan and they are very limited or hold a shotgun or a handgun.
تقريبا عندنا بالأردن.
Spare parts is a very important issue here. Why? Most of the dealers here, they don't have that vast experience in handguns or shotguns. They depend on selling wise. But when it comes to fixing a shotgun or a handgun, it needs someone with a special background, which is the manager and the owner of this company have.
We hope to expand and to improve more than this, but we are limited by the laws and regulations in Jordan because it is very limited. We hope to expand more and to work with rifles or the other non-regular shotguns, but we are limited, as I told you, by the regulation.